Alright, welcome to another crafty video by my little one here. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to do a crafty video, and today we're going to do unicorns.
So we've got paint your own unicorns and a little activity set, so we will see what we find in it. It was a present that little Catherine got for Christmas, so we're finally digging in. There's a whole load also up there, which I'm not going to show you, but we will release as we do them. So get in, it's very unicorn fun.
Wow, you can use white too, and whoa, you can use glitter in here. What's this?
Well, that looks like it's the backboard of a story that maybe when you've painted your unicorns, you could give it a storyboard.
Well, and then I write it down on the back.
Yeah. And then we have a gorgeously glittery unicorn book that's full of all sorts of puzzles that little one can have fun doing. But for this main time, I'm going to get some newspaper so my cloth does not change colour.
I'm a unicorn.
Come on then, get painting. Oh, I'm pretty sure you got pink on the horn there.
Oopsie.
That's okay. Why don't you make him look like a patchwork of colours?
What, so you don't colour him all?
Well, you can make a patchwork so you can have pink maybe next to yellow, and you can let the colours actually meet. He doesn't have to be a standard colour horse, he's a magical horse.
What, so they can be whatever colour?
Maybe
I'll paint yellow on the hairs. Oops. It's fine if we want to wipe some off.
Fine, use your finger.
Oh, I'm allergic to paint.
Oh yeah, you are, aren't you? Okay, then carry on painting and painting over it. Right, for those of you who don't know, we discovered that our little girl is allergic to paint.
So now I have to wear gloves.
And whenever she paints, she's always got to wear gloves. Yeah.
These are new gloves, so I'm not used to these.
Anyway, carry on painting.
What colour should I take next?
I don't know.
What colour?
Whatever colour you want your little horsey to be. You weren't painting the tail blue.
Oh, red. Looks like a Paintbrush. Gonna do the belly. I'm gonna do the legs.
It's trying to tell you how to paint a unicorn, but judging on the size of these unicorns, you'd have to be a very, very delicate painter. Not a 6-year-old. Unless yours can. Anyway, carry on painting.
That's cool. I'm gonna do that. So it looks fun.
Maybe we grab a bit of red and wash it here. A teeny amount of blue and wash it in here.
No, I should do make purple.
It's supposed to make purple. And then if you want to do white,
Makes purple.
makes a light purple.
Wow! Gonna mix colours.
They are quite small and probably difficult for little ladies to paint.
I'm gonna mix some colours. Mum.
Okay. How was that?
That was fantastic.
Are you sure? Because I think you struggled on the size. They're a little small though, aren't they?
But this one was, oops.
It's okay.
This one, oops, again. This one was my favourite.
I love how the paints did that on the plastic, but I don't think the paints are specifically designed to go on the plastic very well, do you? No.
But guess what? I did little dabs like that because as you said, you like leaving some gaps around too.
Yes.
So that's also my favourite unicorn.
But it's certainly a very hard project if you're going to leave a 6-year-old to do it. Yeah. Maybe when they're a bit older, but yes.
These unicorns are so fun to paint, but I think they're for older children because they are a bit tiny to paint.
And with that one, we'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye! I'll see you later.